Now it's time for us to get into the agenda of the celebration. As a part of it, I would like to launch the alumni of this celebration. So today, friends, we are all gathered here to celebrate. And the reason for this is our beloved founder of Shooting Stars Foundation. The point is that she always cared about us, that every single step she take is reaching us or not. The great support that she gave and the confidence that she have in us can be expressed through words. So friends, I would like to invite our lovable Akka, the founder of the Shooting Stars Foundation, Mrs. Lada, to give her speech.
Yes.
Over to you, ma'am.
Come on, let's celebrate. Come on, everybody. Everybody celebrate. Let's go. Right.
Okay. Hello, everybody. All my younger brothers and sisters. How are you? So I forced everybody to call me Akka because I'm not that old. I'm maybe a few years, probably 4 or 5 years older than them. So whenever somebody calls me ma'am, I'm like, nope, I'm not answering you. You have to call me Akka. Everybody's there. Ishrat, Lavani are all smiling because I never let them call ma'am. So anyway, so all of you are my younger brothers and sisters. Just very quickly before I start my speech, I would say it's truly is a family, right? When I go to the temple, when the priest asks me, okay, tell me the names of your family members, I'm like, how do I say 450 names to the priest, right? So that's how I consider all of you. That's how we started. That's how we will journey together. And that's how we will contribute to the society as a whole. First of all, before I start, I would like to give my immense thanks to Daniel sir. As Daniel sir said, and Mohan Raju sir, who've run multiple programs for us, it is one thing to do some service to the society. Yes, we are doing, whatever we can. We've been blessed. My mom always says you should be blessed and privileged to give back. Not everybody can give back. Not everybody can serve the society. It's truly an honor and privilege to do this. And doing this is one thing, but Daniel sir is the one who brings it out, because one part is doing, one part is communicating and inspiring others. I believe that is much more important, or that is of prime importance. Doing service is one, but communicating to others, and more importantly, inspiring others to do the same or better than you, is a huge skill that only certain people can teach. And Danny sir, we are truly blessed to have connected with you. The connection is the only thing, right? Or else there was no reason for us to connect with each other. So to have been, and I definitely miss Venkatnathan uncle, who had connected us together to get this program together. Danny sir, has kindly agreed. I mean, he is so busy, he has so many programs, but in midst of that, he has a very soft heart for Shooting Stars and its scholars, because as Mohan Raj sir said and Daniel sir said, the impact you make in this kind of a community. Yes, I mean, there are so many people you do your training, sir, and they all can afford it, and they're already at a certain level and you're taking them higher. But our group is the one that gets the most impact. We've never seen our family, we've never seen a role model in our family, we've never seen a graduate. Some of us have never seen a graduate in our family, right? So such kind of families we come from, and when somebody like you takes us through this journey, you can see the impact, right? Just with Ishrat and Ashwati speaking, you would have seen them in the first day and the last day. So I'm extremely thankful, extremely with the journey. Without you, Danny sir and Mohan Raj sir, this wouldn't have been possible. So with that, we'll get into, so I don't have 7 minutes of conversation, but I have a few slides that I want to, bring everybody through, especially the MILT people who are here, and even some of our scholars who haven't seen this. I just want to give a brief background of Shooting Stars, and again, Daniel sir has put some expectations, and there are some expectations of Shooting Stars also from you guys, and especially everybody's a leader. Yes, Ishrat and Ashwati have been chosen as MCs for this event. I see each 41 of you, right? We've actually, yesterday me and Jay were talking that we need to start doing these meetings, not just MILT, but several meetings within Shooting Star. We have 450 kids, right? And this is where, so Danny sir has trained you as a leader. Now I want all 41 of you to lead certain groups within the organization and bring the level up of everybody, right? That's what you give back to the organization, to the society, in fact, to yourself as leadership people. Okay, so very quickly, I will not take a lot of time, but I want to go through very quickly. So it sets the stage of, where are we from, and, how we want to go from here. So we all know, we're all part of Shooting Stars. Our big motto is by enabling access to education. So which is what you're all in that path of. By enabling access to education, we hope to break the cycle of generational poverty. So that's our motto. These are our goals, right? So every organization has a goal. Each of you have a goal. But as an organization, we have three main goals. The first goal is to sponsor college scholarships, which we are doing currently. And you all have to help us. Like today, we are at 450 scholars in 2021, and we want to reach 2025 scholars by 2025. And I'm going to depend on each and every one of you here to help us get there. Number two, you know that I'm in the US, California. We have Dharani ma'am in the US, Dharani Akka, as you can call her. So we are a huge part of Shooting Stars Foundation, which is a huge network of volunteers here. And since we are here locally, and that's what you should also do, right? We are helping people in India, people in Africa, but we want to help here locally also. There's a lot of underserved minority communities here, African Americans, Latinos, who don't have access to education or to technology education. So, so we want to reach, so we've reached about 250 participants in the past for imparting technology education. We want to reach 1,000 minority participants by 2025. And finally, this is the big piece that Danny sir just said. We want all of you to come back. I should have put 100%, but from an organization perspective, we put 50%. We want all of you to come back and give back in terms of time, in terms of mentoring, and even in terms of sponsoring a scholar, right? So that's the give back goal we have. Very quickly, a little bit deeper into our goals. So these are all the STEM college scholarships. So most of you are engineers and doctors. We also do masters, and we have a PhD here in our midst. Congratulations, Kelvin. So, we would like to sponsor, those kind of college scholarships. Again, the STEM educational programs, as I said, we run all these technology programs here in the US. And at some point, in fact, October, we are collaborating with IBM to conduct a data science hackathon. And I want each and every engineering scholars in our team to kind of take part in that. So now we are merging the technology programs in the US back to India and Africa kids also. And finally, we want you to come back and mentor our junior scholars. This is our current state. Right now, we have about 450 scholars in about 8 countries. You can see in India, we operate in about 16 states. Most of you are from different states here. From a student's perspective, we have about 200 engineers and about 100 medical students at this point. And from a fundraising perspective, there is a lot of work being done. Dharani is as part of our fundraising group here, where we have about 250 donors who adopt a scholar. So many of you said donors, right? So we connect the donor with you. So some of you have donors, and the others we raise through corporate grants. We have a number of partnerships with IBM, Amgen. We're just working with Salesforce right now, where we connect with them and we conduct a lot of programs, and they provide us corporate grants. And we run certain revenue generating programs to support the 450 scholars that we are sponsoring. This is just a brochure for new students. I'm going to send it over to you after the call here. So this season is admission season. So if you can pass it on to your friends, then we would get more quality applications. You all went through this process very quickly. I'm just going to run quickly. You all went through this process. We undergo a very rigorous process. So I'm very happy you all passed all the stages to come here, right? So especially, you already got, like Danny sir said, 495 out of 500. Where do you lose that 5 marks, right? So very academically oriented you are. You got admission to government college. Jay Anna has done, like, I don't know, Jay, you've done like 300 interviews, WhatsApp interviews with this thing. Yes, Jay Anna has like 250 friends, volunteers who go to different homes to visit you guys. And then we give you several training and placement, and we hope you become a very productive alumni that Danny sir mentioned. Again, these are some of the programs. You remember, some of you, I don't know if Some of you definitely attended our very first and second program. We had, I think, Dharani, quite a few of you attended our programs. So this is our very first get together. 2019, we did 2 get-togethers. Of course, 2020, we could not. Really hoping next year we could meet. But we had 1 day of motivational program. Danny said, we would love for you to come in person when we have it. Really hoping next year we'll have a huge gathering in Chennai or another place too. We also have an ELF English program. Most of you have gone through that program. We're going to start a Hello English app-based program shortly for all of you. Everybody is welcome, even alumni. I'm really recommending alumni also to come back. We want to, with Danny sir's guidance, we're going to start that alumni network of Shooting Stars. And, we want to provide these training for alumni also. Danny sir, there you go, peak performer workshop. That's one of our training that we give our scholars. Very, very privileged. Thanks again. And finally, we just started our first batch of placement programs. Again, some of them are there in a placement program where they teach aptitude subjects and group discussion and technology programs, so they can attend campus interviews pretty easily. Again, we have a really good placement. Venkatnathan sir heads this placement group. We want, see, at the end of the day, guys, we study well, we are motivated with it, but at the end of the day, we have to get a job, right? We have to get a job. We have to bring up the financial ability of our family, then only you can contribute to the community, right? First, we have to figure out how we come up, and that's very, very important. At the end of the day, you have to get a job. So we are trying our best to help at least, get you interviews, get you internships, but at the end of the day, it all depends on you. So this is how we track our final year students, and, we're very happy. Danny sir, you could look at the placements here. Pretty much everybody, I think, I don't even know, maybe, yeah, I think all of them except maybe Anji Babu, all of them have gone through your program. You can recognize those names who have gotten placed, right? Everybody has gone through your program, and, the rest of them are, in fact, Kelvin should come here because he's doing his PhD. Several others are in the process, but, so these are our current final year kids, and, they are getting into the next step of life. And definitely know that, Shooting Star, the MILT program had a place for them to play in their interviews. These are our scholars. Again, you can see some of Dharani is here as part of this program. So, several doctors. She's our very first doctor. And, these are 3 of our great students who have gotten into very good technology companies. Again, we're very proud. I hope Shashi, see everybody, again, Pradeep, Udayadarshini, Shashi, Dharani. Oh my God, Daniel sir, all 4 of your kids are here, right? They all got placed this year. Amazing scholars, imagine the names of companies, HCL, Samsung, Cognizant. I mean, so they did really well, got really placed. Udayadarshini was so happy, once she got placement, she just called me, and, everybody, right? Pradeep was very emotional. Shashi was very happy, and Dharani got another job. I'm like, come on, wait, let others also get a job. She's getting multiple offers. So, definitely your program had an impact on them. These are all our medical scholars. So Ashwati, it's very good that you came, because sometimes very challenging to get our medical scholars to come to this program because they're so busy. But I really think medical scholars, it's very important for you to come to this program. We really want to create ethical doctors, right? So anybody can become a doctor, anybody can become an engineer, right? It's the matter of ethical, like, we need to do the right job. We need to, morally, our moral compass should be very strong. And that's what we want Shooting Star scholars to be. So anyway, so we have, so many of these kids passed out. We have 6 of them who passed out and are working now as doctors, especially during the Corona period. These are the COVID warriors. We're very happy to contribute, 26, 30, 40 of them to the, to the much needed time frame, this time frame. We had about 26 kids getting into house urgency this year. One feedback from Venkat was the very first day, he had to resuscitate a baby. And, that he said, when I did that, he said that, that was the one time he felt, this is why I was born, right? So he sent such a nice feedback to us saying, just being in newborn intensive care, when people call you doctor, and he just, was amazed at how, and that's that feeling we want. The one thing I would say is enjoy the moment, right? And, while you go through your journey, it's not about achieving. The achieving comes last. but you should enjoy the journey. What you can give back throughout the journey. Don't say, okay, I'll become a millionaire and then, or I'll become a Kodiswaran, then I will give back. No, you can give back in terms of time, while you are, going through that journey. That's what I felt with Venkat, what he did. Very quickly, sir, a couple of partnerships we have. I know we all know this Koravan Koratti, this Boom Boom Matakarar community, in the past. Now they don't have a job. They actually clean sewages. They don't have a job. So I was very surprised when these kids apply to us, and profession of father is beggar. I'm like, you just can't have it. It was very heart-wrenching to see, occupation of begging, in the application. And that's why this Revati ma'am took them, and she's teaching them a lot of things, or she has a home and all that. We have taken 30 kids from there, and we are sponsoring their college education. Again, I would ask all of you, every one of you, to go and Google Dr. Praveen Kumar IPS, his TED Talk, 20 minutes TED Talk. This is the guy. He is an amazing. He was in the Indian Police Service. He went to Harvard, did his master's in public management. He came back, and he's in education. He now has about multiple schools for 3 lakh Telangana tribal mountain people. He goes to the homes and brings the people to a residential school, and hundreds of kids are getting into IIT, NIT, and government medical colleges. So we are supporting about 35 students from Telangana through his organization. And he came to one of our meetings, and oh my God, what a humble person, so it's just amazing. This is what brings you all the connections, and connections with very good people. And finally, we also have connections with IIT. One of our board members brought those connections. So we sponsor about 50 students now from different IITs. I would say, some of you, maybe some of you are here from IIT, but the North Indian, the Bihar and Orissa kids, when Jay does me and Jay talk about this, when we do the WhatsApp video interviews, it's very heart-wrenching to see the background of their homes. And, it's a very different feeling. And, we are very blessed to be able to contribute a small to these kids. And finally, here we are. So some of you are here, you should recognize yourself here. So we are the Shooting Stars family, and we welcome you. We welcomed you wholeheartedly a few years back when you joined us. We don't want you to leave, right? You will always be part of the family, and you'll always have to come back. Daniel sir, Mohan Raj sir, Jay Anna, Dharani, who's here. We'll all be here for you, right? Quite a few years into your adulthood. And I don't know, Daniel sir, you said, right, my dad is a Miltonian, and you had one more, Vidya Shetty's dad is a Miltonian. So I want all of you scholars to come back. Your kids should also be part of Shooting Stars, right? And then we should say, hey, these were daughters and sons of the Shooting Star scholars we had, and Miltonian scholars. Okay, so with this, I want to finish and get into the main program, but I'm really, really proud and of each and every one of you, my kids, right? So you will always stay, I would say kids, younger brothers and sisters, and you'll always have my support. Danny sir, Mohan Raj sir, Dharani Akka here. We're always there for anything you need. Okay, Danny sir, on to you.
Right, thank you so much, ma'am. You can stop the screen share and master of sermons. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. It was so wonderful to hear from you. You always amaze us with your wonderful communication and inspire us to become cheerful leaders. We are awed at your contribution to the society, and it's because of you we are now learning. And we assure you that we will all soon become donors and contribute back to the society.